Welcome to our Sudoku solving guide. Today, we'll explore strategy number 2, the last remaining cell. This basic yet powerful technique is essential for both beginners and puzzle enthusiasts. It's particularly effective for solving simple Sudoku puzzles and can be a great help in the early stages of more complex ones. Here's how it works. Every digit placed on the Sudoku grid creates zones where that digit can't be repeated. This allows us to eliminate certain cells as potential spots for the same digit. The key is to look for situations within a 3A3 square where only one cell remains that can accept a specific digit. When some cells in the square are already filled and others can't accommodate the digit, the remaining cell must be the one. Let's see this in action. In the image, notice the red highlighted cells which cannot contain the digit 1. The upper left 3A3 block already has the digits 2 and 4. This leaves only one cell, marked in green, where the digit 1 can go. Practice this technique with simple Sudokus to build your confidence. Good luck, and enjoy solving puzzles with Escape Sudoku. Watch the video about the Sudoku technique. Last possible number technique in the next video.